today I'm going to be making a smoothie. This smoothie is going to have berries, Irish sea moss, agave, and alkaline water. So I'm going to go through them and talk to you about what each one does and why I'm going to use it in my smoothie. So let's go. The berries are high in fiber, and they're also good for inflammation and breaking up mucus. So that's really important for the beginning of your day, just to get yourself cleansed out and give yourself like a great start for your morning. I also use Irish sea moss because Irish sea moss has 92 of the 102 minerals that the body needs, and then also it's great for energy. So I don't use coffee for energy, a lot of people do, but I use Irish sea moss instead, and it gives me the boost that I need. I use agave in my smoothie because it's a natural nectar from a cactus, and it's so sweet. Oh my goodness, you don't even need like processed sugars because this one takes care of that. And then I use alkaline water because alkaline water just has so many benefits. I can talk to you more about that in another video, but here we go. Let's get started.
What's up?
Alright, so as soon as you have all of your items on hand, it's time to get started. So I start with mixed berries. So I will be using a Ninja for this smoothie, but you can use whatever blender works best for you. Fill up my cup close to the top because I like my smoothies thick. Depending on what you want, if you want your smoothie thinner or thicker, that's how much berries you would add. Now it's time to add water. So you'll see later on in the video that I add more water because I didn't add enough. Now it's time to add sea moss. I put about 1/4 of a cup in there. You can put as much as you'd like, but 1/4 of a cup is all I needed. So I didn't mention this in the beginning of the video, but ginger has great anti-inflammatory benefits, and it's great for muscle pain, so I love to use ginger. I also use agave next, so I pour a nice amount in there. You'll see later on I add a little bit more agave in there because it wasn't as sweet as I'd like it to be, so sweeten it to your liking. Now it's time to blend. So I usually blend mine a couple of times to make sure it's extremely smooth, and then it will be ready for me when I'm ready to strain. So I get my tools ready so it's all prepared when I'm ready to pour it in. Since I put a little bit more agave in there, I go and give it one more blend, and then I'll be ready to strain. give it that nice taste, and then I pour it in. See how smooth it is? That's what I want. Sometimes I like to strain my smoothies twice, so it really depends on if it needs it. I'll taste it and then I'll know. We are all done. Have a taste and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.